As a psychiatry resident, I am on a fixed salary. I don't really have time to do side jobs because my work as a resident is so time consuming. So how do you supplement your income with something easy? I found medical surveys. I didn't think these were actually gonna pay as well as they have been. Not a lot of money, but it's actually really easy. I found Sermo to be probably the most effective one. It pays the best, it's the most consistent. And in all honesty, I've made a little over $100 a month, $1,000 in total since I've started. And down below, you can use my Sermo link to get $20 instantly. So how it works is they'll post a survey with a certain number of seats to participate. I find them interesting. I don't feel that they're super boring. The longest that I've ever spent on a survey is about 20 minutes. And those ones pay the highest. In one day, I made over $100 in one day. And the surveys are sometimes testing new names for a new drug and how you feel about the name. Sometimes they're questions more about a certain medication that's already out and just your general experience with this medication and how patients respond to it. They're easy. You can do them at work, sometimes taking 10 minutes to make a quick 25, 50 bucks. The downsides is that you can be kicked out after going through the screening process. Sometimes the screening process takes a few minutes. So you've just lost a few minutes. So what? The other downside is you got to jump into these surveys whenever they're offered. Sometimes they only have like 50 slots for people to answer the survey. So you just have to have it, set up on some kind of notification where you can take advantage of these. Something that I do to get a little bit more money out of this, how I pull the money out of the account. If you took it out just in like a gift card or something, or to PayPal or something like that, sometimes there's a 1% fee on that. But if you take the money out as a gift card to like say DoorDash or Uber Eats, then you get like a $10 to $15 bonus on top of whatever you're already purchasing. And the reason why I did the Uber Eats, that's like the one I usually do, or DoorDash, things like that, is because I'm already gonna order food occasionally anyway, or groceries. And why not just do it through this? So it's basically like a nice little free dinner. Things to keep in mind is that although you may be, doing these surveys and making money, right? $50 here, $25 here, you can only pull the money out until you're over the threshold, which is $100. So in the beginning, it's gonna take you some time before you can actually withdraw that money. But trust me, it's literally paying me over $100 a month. And to be honest, I haven't even been maximizing this because I'm kind of lazy. So again, if you guys want to try this, I think it's worth it for residents. It's worth the time. Don't get frustrated if you get excluded from some of these surveys. My link is below for you guys to instantly get $20 and, helping resident get another 20 bucks too. I think it's really helpful. Share it with your own cohort so that, you guys can all get that referral bonus too. I think it's really helpful. Guys, Dr. Greg, psychiatry resident, keep kicking butt.